In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search eBay for the hottest selling items and prices. Whether you're an experienced seller looking to boost your online business, or a curious buyer eager to snag the best deals, this guide is tailored just for you. So, grab your favorite drink, settle down comfortably, and let's dive into the world of eBay and trending products. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to ebay.com. This massive online marketplace is filled with a treasure trove of products, and knowing how to navigate it effectively will give you a competitive edge. Once you're on the homepage, it's time to decide what category or keywords pique your interest. Perhaps you're looking into trending gadgets like smartwatches, or seeking collectible NBA cards. Maybe you're interested in popular electronics such as Bluetooth speakers. Whatever it is, type your chosen category or keyword into the search bar and prepare for an array of results to appear. Now here's a pivotal step in your search process that many overlook. To the right of the search button, you'll find an advanced search option. Click on it to open a range of further filtering possibilities that will help refine your search more accurately. As you delve into the advanced search features, scroll down and locate the checkbox that reads sold items. Checking this option is crucial because it allows you to see items that have actually sold rather than just those up for sale, giving you real insights into market prices and product demand. Once you've marked the sold items box, go ahead and click the search button once again. This action will refresh the page, presenting you with a focused list of products that have recently sold. Your goal now is to carefully examine these results to gather critical information, pay attention to which items have sold multiple times, and take note of their selling prices. This data offers a glimpse into not only what's currently popular, but also what buyers are willing to pay. The final piece in mastering the art of spotting trending items lies beyond eBay itself. To further enhance your insights, navigate to Google Trends, a powerful tool that complements your eBay findings. Enter your keywords just as you did earlier, whether it's video games or health and beauty products. Watch closely as Google Trends reveals valuable data on search interest over time. By scrutinizing this information, you can quickly identify which products are experiencing a surge in popularity. And there you have it, a comprehensive method to search eBay effectively and assess the market for the hottest, trendiest items. By combining the power of eBay's advanced search with the analytical depth of Google Trends, you'll be well equipped to make informed buying or selling decisions. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!